Elbaf is still Usopp's arc. I still firmly believe that this is the arc that Usopp will become a brave warrior. There's one main reason I say this and nobody has said anything about it. We know Usopp's dream goal is to become a brave warrior of the sea. The only way for Usopp to reach that goal in Elbaf is to win a battle against Quillingham. You know, the guy with the power similar to Luffy? The only difference is he brings nightmares into reality opposed to Luffy bringing dreams into reality. Oda has set it up so perfectly. Usopp is a character that let his fears hinder him, and Quillingham is a character that uses fears to his advantage. I mean, what other perfect battle is there for Usopp besides Quillingham? Usopp is scared of a lot of things, and Quillingham has the ability to bring those nightmares into a physical reality. So I strongly believe if Usopp is able to put up a fight against Quillingham, then he's one step closer to becoming a brave warrior of the sea. We also can't forget Usopp told the Giants that he defeated Ord, and we know most of the time Usopp lies become a reality. So maybe we could look forward to Usopp fighting an ancient giant in the future.